Alright, y'all. Hey, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back to the Nails and Nails. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I appreciate you all. Anybody new out there just never watched me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you won't miss another video all up in here, okay? Now look at here. Sis, I said once, I said all the time. Anytime I come across something that'll help us in this nail community, I said community, but community. Well, community, you know what I'm trying to say anyway. Look at here. I'm going to come and I'm going to share with y'all. And I say that once, I say it again. I keep on saying until as long as I be on here, alright? Because everybody looking to save a coin. Ain't nobody got time to be trying to keep on replacing these little hand files to these drills, right? Right. So, I'm going to show you guys a way that we all can save our little hand files. Alright, so look at here. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need these things here. These are a lifesaver to your e-file, okay? This here will help you save your e-file for many years to come, okay? Alright, so I don't have the correct pronunciations of these things here, but look at here. These are some little bitty old caps, alright? That will keep the dust. And don't worry about, sis, I got you. I'm going to leave these here little things, the link down in that description bar below. Alright? So don't worry about it. Now, you can, I think they come in 30 pieces and 50 pieces. Now, don't be all sitting up here talking about I only use one and I only need one. Look here. You don't know how many bits you're going to need while you're using your e-file. So 30 is good. Because you mess around, you wind up, you're going to have you 30 of these little bits one day is all I'm saying. Anyway, so look at here. And they fit a 32, you know that old measurement thing here. You know, I'm pretty sure they fit the 22 too. But our standard drills, I believe, is 32/whatever. You know what I'm saying, right? Y'all know what I'm saying, right? I don't know the size of these things. But look here. Just show you something, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to take your little bit thingy. Like I say, you can use either one of these here. See, I got one on this little ball thing here. And, yeah. And you're going to take it. Now, don't get upset now because it's going to get a little hard to push on here. But you're going to take it and you're going to put it on there. If you don't have no muscle, you might need to put some pliers on here in the tip of here and push it straight on down. But this one right here was fairly rather easy to put on there. Okay, and then you're going to push this sucker down like that there. Okay, and then you're going to have it like that. Okay, and you can push it down even more like that. And this here thing right here, baby, when I tell you it's going to keep all the dust from getting up in here, that's what you're going to, girl, you're going to need this in your life, all right? Now, what you're going to do is I'm just demonstrating with this little e-file that I have here. Once you have your duster cap on your drill bit, you're going to take your e-file, you're going to open it up, okay? And you're going to take your little thingy here and you're going to slide it back into the e-file drill, okay? And then you won't lock this mamma jamma. Just lock it back on up. That way your little thing won't fall back out, alright? Now, personally, I don't like for mans to rub up against my drill. I just don't. So I take it like, I'm not even going to say a fraction of, yeah, maybe a fraction of an inch. So I slice it up just a tiny, tiny bit. Just so it won't be rubbing up against that thing there. And I lock it back in place like that there, right? And once you do that and you turn your drill on, it don't change the sound in your drill. It don't change the performance in your drill. It does nothing, sis, but protect your drill from getting all that dust down up and through there. Because don't nobody have the time to be trying to take this thing loose, blowing no dust all up in and out no drill and get no pieces. You mess around, you go up in your handpiece and springs be everywhere, screws be all everywhere, and you just don't know how to put it together. And then you get frustrated and you throw it clean across the room. And there's a simple solution for all that. Just purchase these little things right here. It ain't even cost you more than a couple of dollars. I believe I paid a little bit under $2 for these, I believe. But I'm going to tell you, yeah, a little bit under $2. I can't tell you the price precisely. But, sis, didn't cost me nothing. But it's going to save you a ton of money in the end. I'm going to leave the link down to where I bought these things from. Because I did purchase these with my own acquaintances, okay? Nobody gave me no free caps to do nothing. I'm just saying. I'm just here to share with y'all. Because that's what we do in this nail community, right? Yeah. Anyway, y'all, so that's my turn. Let me turn this thing off. Oh, I'm like, ooh, let me turn this thing. Let me turn this thing off. But yeah, sis, so that's what I'm saying. Okay, now look here. I just want to share with you. If you want to say, oh, no, I don't need those things, and you got your little extra money around and you want to keep on buying you some handpiece, go right on on ahead. Go right on ahead, by all means. But I'm just here to share with you. If you want your e-file to last, if you want your nail drill to last, you might want to invest in these little caps, okay? All right, y'all. So I hope that was helpful to y'all out there. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And again, I say every little bit of information I get that can save us some coinages, sis, I'll be right back here to share with you. All right, y'all. That's my time. I'll be back in a minute with a whole nother other video.